long-term Goldman. In the world of investments, diversification is key. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. One way to diversify your retirement portfolio is through a Gold IRA. This financial instrument may be a foreign concept to many, but we're here to help guide you through the process and shed light on the benefits of including a Gold IRA in your long-term investment strategy. Why invest in gold? Gold has been considered a valuable commodity for thousands of years, serving as a universal currency and a store of wealth. Its value is not affected by the ever-changing global economy, inflations, or interest rate fluctuations, making it a reliable safe haven in times of economic uncertainty. Moreover, it has a finite supply, which means its value is likely to rise over time, helping to protect your purchasing power. With these undeniable benefits, gold has become a popular choice for investors who want to diversify their portfolios and minimize the impact of market volatility. How does a Gold IRA work? A Gold IRA, or individual retirement account, allows you to invest in precious metals, such as gold, as part of your retirement portfolio. Unlike regular IRAs that deal with traditional investments like stocks or bonds, Gold IRAs allow you to hold physical gold bullion or coins. These gold assets will grow tax-deferred, and you will pay taxes on the gains only when you take disbursements or withdraw from your account. Additionally, you can roll over funds from existing retirement accounts, such as 401ks or other IRAs, into a Gold IRA without any tax penalties. Choosing a reputable custodian. To set up a Gold IRA, you will need to work with a custodian who specializes in self-directed precious metals IRAs. The custodian is responsible for managing your account, reporting to the IRS, ensuring the safety and legality of your transactions, and storing your physical gold in a secure facility. It's essential to perform thorough research and choose a custodian with a solid track record and excellent customer service. Selecting your gold investment. Several gold bullion coins and bars are approved by the IRS for inclusion in a Gold IRA. Some popular choices are the American Eagle coins, Canadian Maple Leafs, and Austrian Philharmonic coins. When selecting your gold investment, consider the gold purity, the premium above the spot price, and whether or not the gold product is IRA eligible. Work with your custodian to determine which gold investments best suit your investment objectives. The importance of storage. Keeping your Gold IRA investments secure is crucial for protecting your hard-earned assets. IRS regulations require that your gold be stored in an approved depository to maintain the tax-advantaged status of your investment. There are typically two storage options: non-segregated storage, where your gold is stored with other investors' gold, or segregated storage, where your gold is separated and stored individually. While segregated storage may come with an additional cost, it provides the assurance that your gold holdings are secure, identifiable, and accessible when you need them. Conclusion. A Gold IRA offers numerous benefits, such as portfolio diversification, financial stability, and protection against market fluctuations or economic uncertainties. While it may seem daunting to get started, this beginner's guide should provide you with a solid foundation of understanding. By choosing the right custodian, selecting the best gold investments, and ensuring secure storage, you will be well on your way to confidently including a Gold IRA in your retirement strategy. Get started today by exploring our selection of coins, bullion bars, and secure storage solutions. We look forward to hearing from you soon.